Hello, hello. Welcome to First Past the Post. My name is Tanmay Devan, and joining me is the radiant Aditya Mishra. What is up, bro?
Hello, brother. What's up?
Could just on the get go, let's just clarify that this season means nothing. This Premier League season means nothing. Okay, there are
Now
no
that you're
fans in
not
the
on the top
stadium.
of
They're
the
just
table,
ऐसे what?
now you are. Now that you're not on the top of the table, this season doesn't count.
No,
Otherwise, all your fucking
it doesn't
fans.
matter, dude. Premier League, it's getting boring. Who even watches Premier League anymore? It's pointless, man. But City is 10 points ahead. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Boring. Let's you want to talk about the results? What happened last week?
So last week, the first match of City was against Tottenham. We won 3-0 at Etihad.
I didn't even watch the match. How
Where
how garbage was Spurs?
Dude, Spurs weren't really good, but there was a chance which was made by Bale when Bale was subbed in around
Oh, I saw that
67, 68
highlight,
minutes.
and then he like
Yeah, you
shot it
saw
straight
that,
at the
right?
keeper only. You know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
no, it was a good shot. It was a good move, dude.
His
He
move was good.
cut past three defenders. Yeah,
Hmm. Yeah. I think
but
even
the
in Europa,
highlight
he
of
he
that,
got a goal and an assist.
yeah,
Uh,
yesterday.
but never mind about Europa.
Nobody
City
cares
is
about
is
Europa, dude.
is way ahead. City has
Yeah,
won the league. It's over, right? It's pretty much
but
over now.
the highlight for that game was Ederson's assist to Gundogan for the second goal. I
Oh,
don't think you
that's
saw that.
Davin. I saw the memes. No, Davinson Sanchez fell on his face.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
There were so
That's
many
a
memes, dude.
joke of defending. A joke. The absolute joke defending.
There were so many memes, dude. So many memes.
Yes,
Anyway,
why
not the
so many
point.
errors
Let's
also.
go
Why,
on.
dude, Hugo Lloris also messed up. He should have saved a couple or saved one at least.
See, I'm not gonna gloat. I'm not gonna gloat. I'm just gonna be like, fine, fuck it. We won. We deserve the win. Let's just go.
This hate. I hate this so much. You better start gloating. I hate this. Ki, oh, we're already better. We don't need to show off. I absolutely hate this mentality. Screw you. Screw City.
Mhm.
City is a garbage club. Premier League is over. Nobody cares about Premier League.
You guys are playing Europa, right?
Before we get to Europa, which is also boring
Yeah,
as hell.
nobody cares.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Before that, let's talk about what else was beneficial to City. Liverpool losing to Leicester.
Oh, dude. Leicester 1-3, right?
Yeah,
Oh, 3-1, sorry. My bad. It
dude.
was at
The worst
Leicester's
part
home,
is
3-1.
they started off playing so well.
They're shit,
Liverpool
dude.
should have
Liverpool
finished.
are shit.
this.
Liverpool
It's
are
so
shit. Fuck
no,
it. Liverpool
dude.
have been so shit for the past 4 5 games,
Dude,
and
Allison Becker.
I feel sad. I feel
Allison Becker.
sad for Liverpool. Beckers again made a mistake in
No,
this match,
he's
costing them a
Allison Becker.
goal.
He's not Allison Becker.
अरे यार वो फिर से कैरियस वाला मीम डालना पड़ेगा भाई वो कर क्या रहा है I don't know what's happening with
Allison Blunderland. So bad, bhai.
I don't
Allison,
know bro what is happening with him,
useless.
but
Bhai.
you know
Worst
what,
part is he's a good keeper, but the last 2 or 3 weeks, his decision making is off, god awful.
he's a great shot stopper is what I feel,
Even
but
as a sweeper
वही नहीं
keeper,
कर
he's
पा रहा है.
good, yeah. But पता
Yeah,
नहीं,
he's good, yeah.
no communication. He just yeah. So nothing
Okay,
else interesting happened this game week. United drew to another low block team. We drew to West Brom, of course. We cannot score against
one
a low
all,
block
dude,
team.
come on.
Yeah, yeah. We cannot.
Arsenal won against Leeds, which was good, and
Oh,
then
that's a mid-table
City won
fixture. I don't watch
against
that. I don't follow
Everton.
mid-table teams.
Okay, so something which is very, very interesting, I think, again, in my opinion, is that West Ham and Chelsea
Mhm.
are in the contention of the fourth place. I mean, as of right now,
Yeah,
at
yeah.
least.
West Ham will fail. Liverpool will go over Chelsea, 100%. It's happening. Chelsea, this honeymoon period, 4 wins on the trot in the league, it's gonna end right now.
Do
What do
you
you think?
think they are playing right
Southampton,
Southampton
nah,
this
they
week?
lose. They'll draw. They'll draw.
Yeah,
They'll draw.
they'll draw.
Yeah, yeah, they'll
They
draw.
won against Newcastle 2-0.
Uh-huh. That
But ठीक है, like Chelsea मेरे को पता है, but West Ham is playing really good. They are very very good as a team. Like they are very decent going, forward.
Mhm.
Like Declan Rice and Lingard's, Jugalbandi, all
Yeah,
that's
boy,
pretty good.
Lingard, my man.
Yeah, it feels
No,
good now
it's
to
a
see
good
him
move
play
for
and
him.
score.
Yeah,
Yeah, as long as there's United in the team, be it Manchester,
yeah,
West Ham. Fuck it.
yeah. It is. The
Okay,
Premier
so
League.
what do we
Let's just
have?
talk about. Could we? Okay, you guys beat Everton midweek. Fine, you've won the
Yeah.
league. Let's just not talk about it. Let's talk about something.
We haven't won the league yet. We have some
You
tough
won the
fixtures
league.
coming up. We
You
are
have
playing
won the
Arsenal
league.
tomorrow.
You have
Then in a couple of game weeks we are playing you guys. Come on, shut the fuck up.
no.
We haven't won
You
yet.
won the league. It's over. Okay, but let's talk about something that every fan loves.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time!
The Champions League. Oh, what a glorious competition! I'm so happy that it's
Yeah,
back. I
but
hate
you
it as a
guys
United
aren't-
fan that we're not playing.
you
But
guys aren't playing in it.
what an amazing competition! I love it. I love it to bits. Liverpool striking
of
back,
course.
they beating Leipzig. It was a very close match, but they won, and it was so good.
That's what I was getting at. I really like the game. I really like that game.
Yeah, I think at halftime I switched to Barca PSG, which is another amazing game.
What was that game?
Kylian
The
Mbappe, man,
memes
running riot.
afterward. The memes afterward, dude.
I'm so happy. I want Pochettino. I don't like PSG and oil money and all that. Or not? Are they even oil money? They're Qatar, right? The Qatar
They
Sports
are
Group,
all
whatever
money,
they're called.
somewhat oil money, I suppose.
Yeah, it is oil money pretty much. But anyway, I kind of want them to win because I want Pochettino to win the Champions League. So it's an ultimate FU to Jose Mourinho. It is.
That's not gonna happen, dude. Like,
It actually might.
but yeah,
it's a well-rounded
I
squad.
really did not expect that from Mbappe, to be very fair. But then again, I think it was wrong on my part because I'm being a moron to not expect that because it's Mbappe, and two, they have fucking Buddha guys in defense, man. Come on.
Yeah, I mean PK, he played a match after quite a long time because I think he was injured for a bit.
I think
Then
it was
if you have
4 games or
Busquets as your holding midfielder, he played, right?
he actually did try to, stand by the meaning of holding midfielder when he tried to hold Mbappe on the field.
Oh,
Mbappe tried to,
was that the meme? Okay. No, I remember PK got away with a
Yeah.
booking.
Yeah, PK did.
Yeah. Either way, it wasn't even a penalty. It was such a soft penalty. Was it a penalty? I don't even think so. But they were lucky to even score one goal, Barca. I think this fixture is over. Liverpool, Leipzig, I would have said it's over, but Leipzig can pull anything out of the bag.
Yeah.
But
I mean, second leg, let's see.
yeah. So, and Porto coming out as winners against Juventus.
Really did not see the Ronaldo I wanted to see. All right.
Okay.
Ronaldo expected him to be the beast that he is. And against Porto, I don't know what really happened.
Yeah. First I was thinking that
orange kit.
I was thinking that Ronaldo goal marega, but turns out Musa marega. Because Porto ka goal scorer Musa marega. Fine. I'll just stop.
हर बार का यार तेरा हर बार का एक जोक पक्का है ना like
no, see this.
चल ठीक है.
I also wanted to talk to you about how shit La Liga is to all those Barca and Madrid fans. Your league is actually garbage. Okay, Sevilla against
people don't get
Dortmund.
that. Like people start defending, oh my god, it's the best league.
So
It's not a competitive league.
Exactly.
It's not a competitive league.
They're going to say that Madrid has won so many Champions Leagues. Barcelona is such a complete
It doesn't
team.
really fucking
Or
matter,
used to be.
man.
Exactly. You have no
Doesn't
competition
really
in your
matter
league.
anymore.
Your
You only have 3 teams in your league.
Exactly. And right now, Atletico is way ahead. I think, 6-7 points ahead with a game in hand.
Yeah, they drew yesterday as well, I think.
So,
but it doesn't really matter. यार league में कुछ नहीं होता है. It's I'm sorry to say, it's one of the most overhyped leagues.
And it is so boring. I'd rather watch Bundesliga. I'm not even kidding. Right?
So Bundesliga is actually quite physical. So in that terms, I like it.
Yeah, and they play in the snow, which is really fun to watch. Okay.
Yeah, the ball skids away way too much, man.
Yeah. I actually wanted to talk to you about Sevilla and Real Sociedad, they're 4th and 5th in La Liga. Okay. Real Sociedad has conceded 20 goals this entire season. That is one more than Real Madrid and one less than Barcelona. Okay. Yesterday, Manchester United scored 4 goals against Real Sociedad.
4 past them, yeah.
4 goals. Yeah. These guys don't know what direct football is. They just pass the ball around sideways. I don't know how people actually watch La Liga.
people were saying this, that after Ronaldo getting out of Madrid, the football in the Spanish league will die. I think even before that, for a couple of years, it was not that interesting.
It was dead.
And
That's how
and,
Ronaldo
and
scored 500, 600 goals, which is a huge achievement, of course, which is a massive achievement. But
I do not like Spanish
that's
league, dude. Come on, it's after the
it's
French
trash.
league, it's just
It's trash.
blah.
I'll rather watch Besiktas versus some other Başakşehir
Uh,
than La Liga.
no. I won't fall that much into my standards. But not the point. The point is that
Stop watching La
every
Liga.
single
Point is,
footballer,
don't watch
every
La Liga.
single footballer who
Mhm.
wants to try their metal in football, come to the Premier League. You will know how far deep are you in the water.
I'm not even kidding. I don't know if it's the arrogance of my love for the Premier League, but it is the Premier League is the best.
It is my arrogance, man. It is my arrogance. Fuck them. You know what? It's the most competitive league in the world. It doesn't matter how many people, how many, European championships they have won, being the German league or being the
Yeah.
Spanish league. It doesn't really matter. As long as the mid-table team is not contending to be in the top four or
Yeah.
isn't not fighting in
Yeah.
week in week out,
Yeah.
it's boring football.
Yeah.
And that भाई कुछ भी होता है यहाँ पे किसी ने फुलहम किसी को पेल दे दिया पकड़ के लेस्टर विंस द लीग कम ऑन
Mhm.
दिस इज द बेस्ट लीग
It is
go fuck
100%.
yourselves
Yeah.
if you do
So
not believe it to be true.
yeah. So next week, Atletico Madrid will probably beat Chelsea, but that does not mean that Premier League is
No,
as
I
bad.
don't think so. I don't think so.
100%.
Just saying, I don't think so. No, I
100%.
don't.
Atletico Madrid will beat Chelsea. Chelsea will shit the bed. Bayern will beat Lazio.
I
Atlanta will beat Real Madrid. I'm saying it right now. Atlanta will beat
Atlanta
Madrid.
actually might just Madrid. Yeah, Atlanta
And
actually just
listen
might
to
beat
this.
Madrid.
Borussia
हाँ
Mönchengladbach
ठीक
will
है
beat
तो
Man
हाँ
City.
Mönchengladbach हाँ बिल्कुल 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 सही कह रहे हो सही
Marcus
कह रहे
Thuram hat trick. I'm saying it right now. Lickly. Write it down.
हो fine.
Okay, that's all I have for Champions League. What are our EPL fixtures?
EPL fixture interesting ones are City are playing Arsenal, and there's a
Ooh.
Merseyside derby, and that's
Oh.
pretty much it.
Yeah. No, we've got a tough fixture as
In
well.
my
Where we've got
opinion,
Newcastle
yeah, you got Newcastle at OT. At OT, it's a tough fixture.
and the low block also. We can't do anything about that also. So we'll pakka drop
Ah,
points or we'll
you
just score
guys
a
are so
worldie
shit against slow block
low blocks.
teams.
Yeah. There's no hope. West Brom, Newcastle, nothing's gonna happen. We're pointless. But
But I'll
Arsenal
still
City.
bet my money on United.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
hope
of course,
that we
Arsenal
can
City.
get we'll squeeze a penalty or something. We'll just buy a penalty maybe.
Yeah, you'll just squeeze one past them
Yeah,
somehow.
perhaps. But Arsenal's form has been decent, eh?
Yeah.
So actually not decent. What am I talking about? Who did they beat? They beat Leeds,
No,
right?
they have
And they
been
looked
decent.
revitalized.
They beat Leeds at 4-2. Dude, that's good. But again, that's
But that
against
is
Leeds.
against Leeds, right? Yeah.
Yeah, once you score past them, you can score an awful lot past them, is what I think.
Yeah.
वही high risk high reward है. High
Yeah.
risk है कि भाई
No, I think
attacking जीतेंगे हम लोग.
City has won this. Liverpool Everton could be a tough fixture, but Liverpool.
I think Liverpool has it. I think Liverpool has it easy.
Yeah, I
By
don't
the
know
way,
if they have it
really, I'm
easy, but
really
it'll
sorry.
definitely be tough.
I'm really sorry for whatever happened with Klopp's mother. I think his mother passed away and he could not go away
Oh yeah,
for
that's
her
yeah.
funeral.
Mhm.
Yeah.
These are the times.
I remember us talking about this, that his press conferences are hard to watch because the man is under awful lot of pressure, and
Yeah.
after it
We
this
didn't even
happened.
know that it was his mom. Yeah. So we were
Yeah.
critical
So
of
yeah,
it.
we were critical of him, but whatever, man.
Yeah.
I really do hope that he's better. He's in a better place right now
Yeah.
as compared to where he was.
Yeah.
But ठीक है.
Yeah. All right. Let's talk
Anyway,
fantasy.
so yeah, fantasy. How many points did you score this week?
I had a terrible game week. I had 0 City players. I think I had 50 something points. I haven't checked, but 50 something points, which
Oh,
is
you had
well
50
below the
something
average.
points.
Well below the average.
The average is 64.
Oh, then it's 53. I had 53 points. Congratulate me, please.
That's so sad.
Yeah, I know. I think I have to play the wild card. I have to play the wild card, and I'll
You're playing
get
a wild card this week.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get players from
Why don't
Leeds,
you
Leicester,
wait
and
for? I'm of course like Leicester has an awful, lot of good fixtures coming up.
Mhm.
But why don't you just wait for the news on Game Week 26 come out and let that come out and then,
You mean with
you know,
with respect to what, a double game week?
yeah, again, it's a double game week, no? Game Week 26.
Yeah, but there's been no information, and we cannot really plan anything right now.
But I think you can, like, you have what? Right now it's 3:30. You have the timeline till 11 o'clock. Wait for it, is what I'll say.
Yeah. I don't know.
Because this game week only Leeds and Southampton have double game
Double
week, and I
fixtures. Yeah.
really do not expect that they are long-term assets.
Right. Right. Of
All
course.
right.
Uh-huh.
So basically, तू अपना wild card waste कर. See, I'm in no point to give you any advice. You are still 110 point ahead of me, but I'm just suggesting that
No. No.
if you
Yeah.
can wait, wait.
Yeah. The thing is that I don't know why something happened now. Now I don't even feel interested in the season because City has run away with it. I feel so depressed. I don't
How
know.
does it matter? You get to
It
have
hurts, man.
the
It hurts.
last winning rights, dude. You get to have the last
I
bragging rights
Yeah. I
in the
guess.
mini league, which we have been playing for the past 5 years. You have won three out of them, I think.
No. I won the World Cup one. We had a
You won the
fantasy
World Cup.
World
I
Cup one.
came second in the World Cup.
Yeah, you were
Yeah, I
very
came
close
second
to
in the
that.
World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it was so sad. Certain shout outs for this week in terms of fantasy, if I
All
were just
right.
to bring them up.
Yeah.
What about like so like you of course haven't made your squad yet.
Yeah, but
So
I'm gravitating towards players from Leeds, Leicester, and Liverpool.
long term assets या फिर इस game week के लिए बस.
No, I generally think of them as long-term assets, especially Liverpool. Everybody must have Salah and Robertson, so I'm going to stick to
Yeah,
that.
that's
Leeds, you've got Bamford, you've got Dallas, perhaps Rafinha. I'm not too sure. And
I don't know,
Leicester,
man. Like I
you
okay,
could
so
perhaps go for Vardy.
hear me out, Tanmay. So like I think this is what I do. I think after game week 25,
Uh-huh.
ideally a person should start, setting out for differentials to make their marker. Either it can go very wrong or very right. But I think Dallas, Bamford, and Rafinha are some players who everyone would have.
No,
So
but
like
I've
if I were
had
to like
Dallas
just
since game
run,
week one, so I'm loyal to him.
huh, like
Yeah.
Tera I know, right? George I know, but total selection of Bamford is 57% right now.
Yeah. So with respect to Leeds, who else would you go for? Right. You can't go for Rodrigo.
But that's my point. Do not go for them. In
Okay.
but
Oh,
ठीक है. So
okay.
like
You want us to go for
for
Oliver Wood, Burnley?
no man. I want you to
Who do you
go
have in
for
mind for differential?
Antonio. For differential, if I were to be very honest, I think uh, Timo Werner is a good shout.
It could be. Yeah. I mean,
Werner, I
he
think
scored
this.
a
I
really
think I
scrappy
had a
goal, but
call.
he got an assist.
He did finally score, dude.
He's been getting
Yeah,
assists, and he
he
got a
hasn't
really
blanked
scrappy
in
goal.
quite some time now.
Yeah, but
He hasn't blanked in quite some time now. Uh, because
okay.
Werner is quite frankly a good option.
Yeah.
If you want to talk about differentials in attack,
Yeah.
or are you talking differentials as a whole?
Uh, Differential as a whole.
Okay, fine. So whole, I don't know how many people have Barnes, but I'll buy Barnes over Madison any day. He
Wow.
cost
Oh, Harvey
approximately 1
Barnes. All
million
right.
less.
I was confused for a second. I thought you were talking about Ashley Barnes.
No,
Okay, Harvey
Harvey
Barnes.
Barnes
Right.
sister,
Right.
man.
Okay. Please. Thank you. Okay.
He-
Yeah. Yeah.
then Diagne from West Brom, I think,
Oh,
decent.
how dare you?
Uh,
Because he just scored against United. Fine. Okay.
yeah, that's the only reason why, and because his selection is less than 1%.
Okay. All right.
Then
But you think West Brom will even
McGoldrick
be
from
safe?
Sheffield. I
Pardon?
don't really. I think you can have him in the in the substitution market.
Okay. Huh. Yeah. Maybe. Any shouts
Then
from
I think
Brighton? Maybe. Do you have anybody in mind?
Mope,
Neil Mope.
mm,
Right.
and I really don't want to get well back cause fuck him.
Yeah, I think Welbeck has been recovering.
Uh,
Has been recovering from the injury. Lamptey has been injured. I think
yeah,
he's
he's
due to come back in a
Tariq
week or
Lamptey
so.
is. I think Tariq Lamptey hasn't played in like at least 5 to 8 game weeks
Oh yeah,
past
he
game
hasn't.
weeks.
I don't know the
Right.
severity of his injury, but apparently he's supposed
One
to be back
shout,
next week. Huh?
I think McGoldrick from Sheffield, the ball bastard, is pretty
Yeah,
decent.
yeah,
I
David
think.
McGoldrick. Uh,
Yeah.
is he? I don't trust Sheffield at all. I don't trust Sheffield at all. I don't think I can make
I was
that.
just talking about differentials, which actually might just work some point in time.
Yeah, I get that, but I don't trust Goldrick to get any.
What about
McGoldrick to
what
get.
about Che Adams for this week?
Oh yeah, Shearer, he's a good shout. I think he's not too expensive, and but Southampton's run
I
has
have
been
him
poor.
in my squad.
But
I have
Southampton has
him
a
in my
double game
squad
week,
for
right?
the. That's why I have him in my
Yeah,
squad.
yeah, yeah.
That's the only reason.
No, fair point. I think Shea
I
Adams may be a good shout.
Yeah, I got rid of Watkins and I got him in.
Yeah, I actually think that not for this game, next game week, but for the future Arsenal players, perhaps you could. I have
Yeah,
Saka.
I'm
I
actually
have
going to
Saka,
go
but
for Saka. I'll go for Saka, and I really think I should invest in Lacazette. I don't know why.
yeah. The thing is, Aubameyang got a hat trick, right? So
Yeah.
last game week.
Fuck it, fuck the guy. I really just want to get Lacazette. Yeah, Aubameyang is not very consistent with this game. Fuck him.
Yeah, and I'm actually
Oh,
thinking
I
of
really
going
want to get
back
Aguero.
to Tottenham OGs, Harry Kane and Son, because I have
I
neither of
heard
them in my
Kane is
team.
injured.
Oh, is
I
that
heard Kane is
so?
injured.
After
Yeah, he got injured
yesterday's
again.
Europa League,
Yeah,
which they played against
FA Cup around
Wolfsburger,
Europa.
which I've never even heard of. I mean, I've heard of Wolfsburg.
Yeah, मेरे को so
Wolfsburger
like
from Austria.
okay, so yeah, that's it, man. I think okay, so my playing 11 is Dallas, Stones, either Target or Keane. Haven't decided yet. Grealish, Barnes, Fernandes, Salah, Gundogan, Che Adams, and Bamford.
All right. Now I wanted to talk to you about City. So with Gundogan and Stones, with Gundogan, Kevin De Bruyne is coming back. So do you think it limits his attacking potential, Gundogan's?
I think we have had this conversation in the past few weeks as
No,
well.
but now
and I
that he's
think
actually back.
even when he was there in the squad, even when both of them were playing, Gundogan's returns were pretty decent in terms of FPL as well, and he was actually scoring and assisting. So I don't really think his role is going to get obscured anytime soon. But yeah, it's not like De Bruyne's presence is making him feel threatened in any manner. It's a very cohesive kind of a thing going about the entire squad right now, and I think it'll just be for the better. But
Okay.
with
I
De
actually think
Bruyne
that
in, I think
I actually think
Foden's,
Gundogan's. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm just saying that I think Foden might be an unsure call due to De Bruyne coming back in.
Okay. So with respect to Stones, while in this issue, I do think Gundogan's attacking potential will reduce because he does not have that much responsibility going forward now that Kevin De Bruyne is actually playing a proper number 10. However, with
Yeah,
respect
of
to
course.
Stones, last match I think Laporte and Stones started, right? Because Diaz had an injury or a slight knock against Spurs.
I think Laporte and against Everton.
No,
Stones didn't start.
Against Tottenham.
Against Spurs, Stones and Laporte started. Against Everton, Diaz started. Stones didn't start.
Okay, so you're still sticking to Stones. You think Stones will probably start alongside Diaz?
I don't know, like Stones didn't start for the last match.
Yeah, but
Laporte
he started
has
for the one
started in
previous. The previous two.
Yeah, but Laporte started for both.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is why
So-
I hate City. I swear to God,
Yeah,
if I
Pep,
get
dude,
Diaz
Pep,
in,
Pep, Pep. I
if
know,
I
I
get
know, I know,
Diaz
I know,
in,
I know.
Pep will get
I know.
Otamendi from Benfica. He'll get Ajao. See you play again. Okay. Okay.
See, that's a predicament with the entire fucking squad of City. Like that is why there's only just literally one player who Pep never
Ederson.
shadows.
Okay.
No, not Ederson. Ederson so matlab out of
De Bruyne only, you know.
De Bruyne and Sterling, dude.
Sterling, right? But I
These two
thought
play, he never
Foden and
fucking.
Mahrez. Yeah, I think you're
No,
right.
no. Foden, Mahrez is the most expendable player in the squad.
Okay.
Foden is starting,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know what will play against Arsenal. Either it will be Foden, Bernardo, and KDB, or Foden won't be starting. KDB, Gundo, Bernardo.
Okay.
Because I think we should play Ferran Torres. I think it's
Oh,
just my
yeah, I
opinion.
forgot he even played. All right. The City has too many players, too many quality players, and to complete
Yeah,
the
do
squad.
we have?
The league's over.
I think they
Let's
were-
not talk about the league anymore. It's over. Let's all focus on the Champions League. Hope you guys lose to Mönchengladbach. Anyway, this
Do you
is
have no shame, you twat?
no, I have no shame. No shame. I'm a United fan. Come on. All right. All right. This was a fun chat, little chat.
Guys, thanks for the few people who watch our videos on a weekly basis. We love you guys, and please do share our videos. and
Love
do
you guys a little
subscribe.
too much. Let's just okay. We like you
idiot.
platonically. Oh, nah, I don't think about
So
that.
matlab, I'm going to bed every single person who watches our video. You
I
moron.
don't have the emotional range for love and all that. Okay.
All
We
right,
like you
come
moderately
on.
sometimes. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Bye.